Hello students, welcome to my class. So today I will discuss with you about the sedimentation, decantation and filtration. In the last class I have discussed with you so far the different method of separating the components, threshing, winnowing, hand picking and sieving. So today I will discuss with you about the separating of insoluble solids from liquid. So this can be achieved by sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Let us take an example. Rice or pulses are usually washed before cooking. When you add water to these rice and pulses, the impurities like dust and soil particles get separated and these impurities go into the water which become a little muddy. There are two types of water. हमेशा दो टाइप की चीज़ें हम सेपरेट करते हैं जब भी हम राइस और पल्सेस को वॉश करते हैं बिफोर कुकिंग. वन इज़ द सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स दैट इज़ सेटल डाउन एट द बॉटम और सेकेंड हमारा होता है जो कि मडी वाटर होता है, जो कि इम्प्योरिटीज़ ऊपर, लाइट पार्टिकल्स ऊपर आ जाते हैं. तो जो हैवियर पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो नीचे सेटल डाउन कर जाते हैं, जो लाइट पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो ऊपर टॉप लेयर पर आ जाते हैं. सो व्हेन द हैवियर कंपोनेंट इन अ मिक्सचर सेटल्स आफ्टर द वाटर इज एडेड to it, the process is known as the sedimentation. You can observe that the rice pulses always settle at the bottom. This process is known as the sedimentation because these are the heavier components. And also when the water along with the dust is removed, when हम जब भी इस पानी को, मडी वाटर को, इम्प्योरिटीज़ को रिमूव करते हैं अपने राइस और पल्सेस से, सो इस प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं डीकैंटेशन. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज डीकैंटेशन. सो देर इज़ वन मोर एग्जाम्पल टू सेपरेट द मिक्सचर ऑफ टू लिक्विड्स दैट डू नॉट मिक्स ईच अदर. द मोस्ट कॉमन एग्जाम्पल इज ऑयल एंड वाटर. Oil and water can never be mixed with each other. These are the two immiscible liquids. So if a mixture of such liquid is allowed to stand for some time, they form a separate layers. Students, you can observe this activity at your home also. You can take up a cup of oil and you can take a cup of water. You mix these liquids with each other. You observe that आप देखेंगे कि they can never be mixed with each other. ये हमेशा जो ऑयल है, ऑयल की एक सेपरेट लेयर बन जाती है एंड वाटर की एक सेपरेट लेयर बन जाती है. so the component that form the top layer can be separated. तो हम ऑयल को हम सेपरेट कर सकते हैं by the process of decantation. Students, there is one more example. After preparing a tea, what do you do to remove the tea leaves? We use the strainer. Strainer is used because these strainer have a small pores inside it, जिसको हम छलनी भी बोलते हैं. This process is known as the filtration. Filtration में क्या होता है कि इस मेथड में हम टी लीव्स को सेपरेट करते हैं प्रिपेयर्ड लीव्स से, and it is the better method than the decantation. Filtration is better than the decantation. So also there is one more example. Water supplied, students, do all of us at all time get safe drinking water? No, not at all. Sometime water supplied through the tap may be muddy. The water collected from the pond or rivers may also be muddy, especially after the rains. So these can also be separated by the process of decantation, sedimentation and filtration. So this is the activity 5. Collect some muddy water. If you don't have muddy water, you can take a simple a soil to water in a glass. Let it stand for a half an hour. Observe the water carefully and note down the observation. So does some soil settle at the bottom? Yes. Slightly tilt the glass without disturbing the water. You can tilt the glass. The process of you can use the process of decantation to remove the upper layer of water. So the heavier particles of soil settle down by the process of sedimentation, and we remove the upper layer of water by the process of decantation. Let the water from the top flow into the another glass. This process is known as decantation. Is the water in the second glass still muddy? Yes, it is still muddy. Now filter it. Did the tea strainer work? Yes, it can work. Let us try filtering the water through the piece of cloth. In a piece of cloth, small holes or pore remain in between the woven threads. These pores in a cloth can be used as a filter, like we did separating the paneer from a from a mixture of paneer and water. So if the water is still muddy, impurities can be separated by a filter that has been small pores. A filter paper is one such filter that has a fine pores in it. लाइक आपके घर में आपने छलनी देखी होगी, ऐसा ही फिल्टर ही होता है. और फिल्टर पेपर क्या होता है, एक डिफरेंट टाइप का पेपर होता है जिसके अंदर बहुत स्मॉल पोर्स होते हैं. जो भी आपका ये मडी वाटर है, जो भी आपके मडी वाटर आपको मिला है इस मिक्सचर ऑफ सॉइल में से, जब आपने ऐड किया वाटर को, तो इस मडी वाटर को हम और ज़्यादा फिल्टर करके हम और ज़्यादा इसको प्योर बना सकते हैं. सो दिस फिल्टर पेपर कैन बी यूज टू सेपरेट द इम्प्योर components to get a pure water. Now a filter paper is folded in the form of cone like this. The mixture is then poured on the filter paper like this. Solid particles in the mixture do not pass through it and remain in the filter. So solid particles ऊपर रह जाएंगे और जो भी प्योर वाटर है वो सेपरेट हो जाएगा impurities से. Also there are many examples. Fruit and vegetable juices are usually filtered before drinking to separate the seeds and solid particles of the pulp. I think student you have also observed this kind of activity also. छलनी ही यूज़ करते हैं, जो जूस बनाने वाले होते हैं वो छलनी ही यूज़ करते हैं और उससे हम सीड्स को सेपरेट करते हैं, हम पल्प को सेपरेट करते हैं. वी गेट अ जूस, प्योर जूस of fruit and vegetable. Also there is one more example of paneer. This gives a mixture of particle of solid paneer and a liquid paneer. So we separate this solid paneer from a liquid paneer by using a strainer or by using a fine cloth having a small pores. So the paneer is separated by filtering the mixture through a fine cloth or a strainer. So this is all about the process what we have discussed till now. Sedimentation, it is a practice of settling down heavier and undissolvable component from a mixture. Decantation, it is a process of transferring clean liquid without disturbing the sediment. And the filtration, the process involves the passing of impurities through a filter, and these filters have a pores which only allow the liquid constituent to pass through, and this method can separate suspended particles or the solid particles as well. So this is all about today. Thank you. Have a nice day.